So we finally get to see her in India. Yay, we got you back. Thank God for that. But it's great. I mean, besides the fact that it's a wonderful occasion that we see you in, you've always said you're the biggest romantic ever, you know. And does that help? Does that how you feel also about Dilip Saab? I'm hoping one day you could romance him on screen.
No, I don't think so. I doubt that'll happen. But
No, I mean, when you watch it.
I think whenever you watch Dilip Saab's films and everything, I've been very fortunate that in my lifetime I got to know him. I've been very close to Dilip Saab and Saira ma'am, and they've been very close to my family. And I'm very happy I'm here for this big day.
Also, in the point that we getting you back, you've been all over the news for all the right reasons. For your single, this time, yes.
Thank God.
But no, you know, it's difficult, and like you said, it's difficult for an Indian actress to be accepted globally for something else completely, not even acting, for singing. Somewhere, do you feel a little proud of yourself also? Say yes.
A little bit. I'm happy that I've been making baby steps towards, being global. And I think it's important, and as India is such an amazing place for so much talent, and I hope that I'll be able to pave the way for a lot more talented people to come up.
What's happening? Why are you getting linked up only with the Hollywood hotties? What happened to our Bollywood hotties, yeah?
I'm not getting linked up with anyone. The day I'm linked up with someone, you'll know.
Okay. Then it also one remake of Dilip Saab जहाँ आप काम करना चाहेंगी someday when the remake is being made.
I think there are so many films. There's no way that मैं कह सकती हूँ. I think Dilip Saab को बस जानना मेरे लिए बहुत ही बड़ी बात रही है. I've had very fortunate moments where I could sit down and talk to him about his time and his days, and it's great to hear that.
To end it, I'm going to ask you, we've heard so much about Dil Dharakne Do, and the selfies are all over. So you all are having a crazy time. Ranveer and you back together, it must be crazy. Gunde memories coming back?
No, in fact, because we are playing such completely different characters, it's been very great to wrap our heads around it. I think we have such amazing parts in the film and such a great crew that we are having a very good time making this movie.